Shalom. Ani mat ve'ani lomed ivrit b'vayet hasefer Rosen le'ivrit. I'm so excited to share my journey to connecting with this amazing language and culture with you. I came to learning Hebrew with absolutely no experience, and the program, content, and teachers at the Rosen School have helped me to not only learn Hebrew effectively, but also begin to truly understand and think in Hebrew, and I've only been a student for a few weeks. For me, the strength of the program is that you begin by learning the fundamentals of grammar and the alphabet at the same time. You begin to understand to read and speak Hebrew and how the language operates so that you can begin to form your own natural sentences so early in the program. And the instructors are so welcoming and friendly that you really feel at ease to ask any questions at all. If you're considering learning Hebrew, I strongly recommend Rosen School. Toda rabah and lahid ra'ot.